afternoon, everyone, and viewers at home. Welcome to the second of three preliminaries of Nawasa Water Wars. I am your host, Linda Braveboy. This competition is brought to you by the National Water and Sewage Authority, Nawasa, and the German Agency for International Cooperation, GIC, as part of the International Water Stewardship Program, IWASP, funded by the governments of Germany and the UK and implemented in cooperation with the Ministry of Agriculture, Lands, Forestry, Fisheries and the Environment. We would also like to recognize our other partners without whom this competition would not have been made possible. They are Flow Grenada, Grenville Credit Union, Video Moments and GUT Credit Union. Of the 14 participating schools, 8 will advance to the semi-final round on June the 29th. That's this coming Wednesday, June 29th. Of course, the live grand finale is on July 1st, where we will see 4 schools battling to win this season of Nawasa's Water Wars. This, of course, the second season. For the benefit of the participants, our audience, and viewers at home, the following are the competition rules. All responses should be phrased in the form of a question. That is, who is or what is. Questions will only be asked once, they will not be repeated. Number 3, players are only allowed to buzz in after I have finished reading the questions. Number 4, 5 seconds is the allotted time for the response. Number 5, each player will have 1 attempt per question. If the player who buzzed in first is incorrect or do not come up with a response, the question will be offered once to the other players, who will then have only 3 seconds to respond. Number 6, in the dispatch and combat rounds, if players fail to answer the questions correctly and I provide the answer, the last person having the correct response will be allowed to choose the next clue. Number 7, for the interruption clues, players will only be allowed 5 seconds to respond. Only the player who buzzed in first will be allowed to respond. Please be reminded that the interruption clue will not be offered. And finally, players are allowed 30 seconds to respond to the lone question in the destruction round of competition. Answers should be written on the sheet of paper provided, and please be sure that your handwriting is legible. Now it's time to meet our competitors for preliminary 2, of course, starting with the Presentation Brothers College.
My name is Ivan Peters, and I'm a Form 2 student of Presentation Brothers College.
I am Omari Thomas, a Form 4 student of the St. Joseph's Modern Secondary School.
I'm Janique Sween, a 3rd Form student of St. Joseph Convent, St. Andrews.
My name is Kiana Slocum, and I'm a 4th Form student of St. Joseph Convent, St. George.
Okay, good. We have met all our competitors. Good luck, players, and here we go. Let's see what categories are in the dispatch round. Opposites attract. Yeah, we went there. Give me a C. Let's play the numbers game, and the final category, pure water.
Can I have let's play the number game for $2, please?
Let's play the number game for $2. The island of Grenada has this number of sewage collection disposal systems. Presentation, brother.
What is 2?
Okay, the answer is correct. What is 2?
Let's play the number game for $4, please.
Let's play the number game for $4. The parish of St. John has this many water treatment plants. Presentation, Brothers College.
What is 4?
You are correct. The answer is what is 4.
Let's play the number game for $6, please.
Let's play the number game for $6. Nawasa's metered customers base is divided into zones. There are this many zones. St. Rose Modern Secondary.
What is 7?
You are correct. The answer is what is 7?
Pure water, $8.
Pure water for $8. The addition of a non-toxic chemical to raw material, the first of the water treatment process. St. Joseph's Convent, St. Andrew.
What is coagulation?
You are correct. What is coagulation?
Let's play the number game for $8.
Let's play the number game for $8. St. Joseph's Convent, you have chosen an interruption clue, and you will be playing for a portable charger, complements the Nawasa. A domestic customer will notice this fixed service charge on their monthly bill. St. Joseph's Convent.
$10.80. What is $10.80?
Okay, you are correct. What is $10.80?
Pure water for $6, please.
Pure water for $6. Clean, drinkable, and filtered are all synonyms, sorry. This word is used to describe water that is fit for drinking. St. Joseph's Convent, St. Andrew.
What is potable?
You are correct. The answer is what is potable. Please proceed and choose the next clue.
Pure water for $4.
Pure water for $4. The removal, deactivation, or killing of pathogenic microorganisms. St. Joseph's Convent, St. George.
What is disinfection or chlorination?
You are correct. What is disinfection or purification? St. Joseph's Convent, please proceed and choose the next clue.
Give me a C for $6, please.
Give me a C for $6. The proper way for storing water can be summed up using these 3 C words.
What is clean covered containers?
You are correct, St. Joseph's Convent.
Pure water for $2, please.
Pure water for $2. Water is the only substance found naturally in these 3 forms. St. Joseph's Convent, St. George's.
What is solid, liquid, and gas?
You are correct. What is solid, liquid, and gas?
Give me a C for $8, please.
Give me a C for $8. Nawasa staff will burn the candles at both ends to make sure these viewers are not just seen as a tagline, but as a mantra. St. Joseph's Convent, St. George.
What is committed to meeting service customers' needs?
You are correct. What is committed to meeting the customer's needs?
Give me a C for $4, please.
Give me a C for $4. Aye, aye, Captain. The staff at Nawasa answers to this gentleman.
Who is Mr. Christopher Husbands?
You are correct. Presentation, Brother Scholars.
Can I have opposites attract for $2, please?
Opposites attract for $2. Remove 2 letters from this adjective containing ink, and then your water is ready to drink. The correct answer, for the benefit of the participants, audience, and viewers, the answer is what is undrinkable. Presentation, Brothers College, please proceed.
Can I have opposites attract for $4, please?
Opposites attract for $4. With this gas, plant life remains in existence, but if inhaled by humans, we will all cease to exist. St. Joseph's Convent, St. George.
What is carbon dioxide?
You are correct. What is carbon dioxide?
Opposites attract for $6, please.
Opposites attract for $6. One source of water is that of surface, the other its opposite.
What is underground?
St. Joseph's Convent, St. Andrew.
What is ground?
You are correct. The correct answer is what is groundwater?
Give me a C for $2, please.
Give me a C for $2. Though it is a misconception, this substance usually receives a beating for causing the cloudy look of tap water. St. Joseph's Convent, St. Andrew.
What is cloudy water?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The question is now offered. Time has passed. The correct answer is what is chlorine? St. Joseph's Convent, St. Andrew, please proceed and choose the next clue.
Yeah, we went there for $2.
Okay. Yeah, we went there for $2. Here lies the largest water reservoir in Grenada. St. Rose Modern Secondary.
What is the Annandale catchment thing?
You are incorrect. The question is now offered.
What is Mamakanzo?
You are incorrect. The correct answer is what is Grandetang? St. Joseph's Convent, St. Andrew, please proceed and choose the next clue.
Opposites attracts for $8, please.
Opposites attract for $8. One of these processes follows the other in the water cycle, and in a twist of fate, the second unravels the work of the first. St. Rose Modern Secondary.
What is evaporation?
The question is now offered.
What is condensation?
Okay, somehow both of y'all would have had the incorrect answer, just missing a next half. The correct answer is what are evaporation and condensation?
Yeah, we went there for $4, please.
Yeah, we went there for $4. Affectionately known as Crown City, thanks to its number of carnival winners, our newest water treatment facility is located here. St. Joseph's Convent, St. George's.
What is St. Andrew?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The question is now offered. St. Rose Modern Secondary.
What is St. George?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer is what is St. Patrick?
Yeah, we went there for $6, please.
Yeah, we went there for $6. In this community, you will find one of Nawasa's treatment plants as well as the only agriculture training school on the island. St. Rose Modern Sec.
What is St. Andrew?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect.
What is Maribor?
You are correct, Presentation Brothers College. The community, what is Maribor?
Yeah, we went there for $8.
Yeah, we went there for $8. Home of the Mangrove Restoration Project powered by ICAS. St. Joseph's Convent, St. George's.
What is telescope?
You are correct. What is a telescope? And that's it for this round. We'll take a short break, viewers, and we'll be back. Please be sure to know that you're watching the Nawasa's What Was. Stay tuned. Welcome back, viewers. I am Linda Briefboy, and you are watching the second series of Nawasa's What Was. This is preliminary 2, and we're on to the combat round. Just before we move forward, however, there was a question that was asked in the dispatch round. That is, opposites attract for $6. The question was, one source of water is that of surface, the other its opposite. The Presentation Brothers College gave the answer, what is underground water. During the break, the judges would have decided to accept that answer, which means Presentation Brothers College, got an additional $6. St. Joseph's Convent, you would have said groundwater, which was correct, but because you answered secondly, you would therefore lose the $6. I'm sorry. Right, so the Presentation Brothers College, you guys have $22. St. Rose Modern Secondary School, $6. St. Joseph's Convent, St. Andrew, $20. St. David's Catholic Secondary, $0. And St. Joseph's Convent, St. George's, you guys have $26. St. David Catholic Secondary, you are in command of the board since you would have accumulated the least amount, that is $0. But just before we allow you to choose the clue, let's see what are the categories in this round. The categories are water-wise, are you smarter than a 6th grader? 5-letter words, this is who we are, you, me, and water. St. David's Catholic Secondary, please proceed and choose the first clue.
Water-wise for $6.
Water-wise for $6, St. David's Catholic, you have chosen the interruption clue, which means you are playing for a portable charger, complements the Nawasa. Your question. Use this word that rhymes with groom to clean driveways and sidewalks as an alternate for water.
What is a broom?
You are correct. What is a broom?
Water-wise for $8.
Water-wise for $8. Promptly fixing all leaks can save this amount of water daily. St. David's Catholic.
What is 100 gallons per day?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The question is now offered.
What is
Brothers
15
College.
to 20 gallons?
You are correct. What is 15 to 20 gallons?
Can I have, are you smarter than a 6th grader for $2, please?
Are you smarter than a 6th grader for $2? Consisting of an even number, a vowel, and a consonant, this is a mixture of two gases, namely hydrogen and oxygen. St. Joseph's Convent, St. Andrew.
What is H2O?
You are correct. The answer is, what is H2O?
Are you smarter than a 6th grader for $4, please?
Are you smarter than a 6th grader for $4? 1/5 of the Earth's atmosphere is made up of this 2 atoms molecule. St. Joseph's Convent.
What is oxygen?
You are correct. The answer is, what is oxygen, or O2?
Are you smarter than a 6th grader for $8, please?
Are you smarter than a 6th grader for $8? Rain, snow, and hail all fall under this umbrella. St. Joseph's Convent.
What is precipitation?
You are correct. What is precipitation?
Are you smarter than a 6th grader for $6, please?
Are you smarter than a 6th grader for $6? V is the center of this force that makes Nawasa's water flow through pipes. Presentation Brothers College.
What is gravity?
You are correct. What is gravity? Please proceed and choose the next clue.
Can I have 5-letter words for $2, please?
5-letter words for $2. I live in the oceans, the rivers, and seas. When I'm cold, I float. When I'm hot, I'm free. St. Rose Modern Secondary.
What is ice?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The question is now offered. St. Joseph's Convent, St. Andrew.
What is molecules?
I'm sorry, that is also incorrect. We are looking for 5-letter words. The category that says 5-letter words, participants. The correct answer is, what is water? Presentation Brothers College.
5-letter words for $4, please.
5-letter words for $4. Lenny, Erica, and Lily are examples of this tropical condition that wreaked havoc on a number of Caribbean territories over the years. St. Joseph's Convent, St. George's.
What is a tropical storm?
We'll accept that answer. So the correct answer is, what is a storm?
5-letter words for $8, please.
5-letter words for $8. This low-lying area is usually highly populated and susceptible to climate change like sea level rise and stronger storm surges. St. Joseph's Convent.
What is the coast?
You are correct. What is the coast? Please proceed and choose the next clue.
5-letter words for $6, please.
5-letter words for $6. I fly, yet I have no wings. I cry, yet I have no eyes. Darkness follows me, lower light I never see. St. Rose Modern Secondary.
What is a cloud?
You are correct. The answer, what is a cloud?
You, me, and water, $6.
You, me, and water for $6. This percentage of the Earth's water is salt water. St. Joseph's Convent, St. George's.
What is 97%?
You are correct. The correct answer is, what is 97%, or what is 97.5%. Please go ahead and choose the next clue.
You, me, and water for $8, please.
You, me, and water for $8. The percentage of surface water used by Nawasa.
What is 95%?
You are correct. St. Joseph's Convent, St. Andrew. What is 95%? Go ahead and choose the next clue.
You, me, and water for $4, please.
You, me, and water for $4. This is the minimum length of time your stored water should last. St. Joseph's Convent, St. Andrew.
What is 3 days?
You are correct. What is 3 days?
You, me, and water for $2, please.
You, me, and water for $2. On average, you can live this long without water. St. Rose Modern Secondary.
What is a week?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. The question is now offered. St. David Catholic. Thank
What
you.
are days?
No, that is incorrect. The correct answer, what is 3 days?
This is who we are, $6.
This is who we are for $6. Interested in learning about water treatment? Then have a chat with an employee in this department. St. Rose Modern Secondary.
What is the Customer Relations Department?
That is incorrect. The question is now offered. Presentation, Brothers
What
College.
is the Department of Production and Quality?
That is correct. What is Production and Quality Department?
This is who we are for $4, please.
This is who we are for $4. The meaning of the acronym GIZ, St. Rose Modern Secondary.
What is the German Agency for International Cooperation?
You are correct. What is the German Agency for International Cooperation?
This is who we are, $8.
This is who we are for $8. Looking for a draftsman? You can easily find one in the department.
What is the Finance Department?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Presentation, Brothers College. The question is now offered. St. Joseph's Convent.
What is the Transmission and Distribution Department?
I'm sorry, that is also incorrect. The correct answer is, what is Planning and Development? St. Rose Modern Secondary, please go ahead and choose the next clue.
This is who we are, $2.
This is who we are for $2. The meaning of Nawasa. Presentation, Brothers College.
What is the National Water and Sewerage Authority?
Thank you very much. That is correct. Presentation, Brothers College.
Waterwise for $4, please.
Waterwise for $4. Fill in the blanks. Follow this tip when flushing. If it's blank, let it mellow. If it's blank, flush it down.
What is yellow and brown?
Presentation Brothers College, you are correct. Okay, so because it's a fill in the blank, I'm going to read it with the answers Presentation Brothers College gave. Follow this tip when flushing. If it's yellow, let it mellow. If it's brown, flush it down.
Water wise for $2.
Okay, water wise for $2. Oh, and you have selected the interruption clue, which means you are playing for a portable charger compliments Nawasa. Putting a little of this in your toilet tank can aid in the identification of leaks.
This is food coloring.
You are correct, Presentation Brothers College. It is food coloring. Okay, we now come to the end of the second round. That's the combat round. We'll take a break, of course, and we will be back. Of course, we'll be going on to the destruction round, whereby the clue in that round will be something about unity. Stay tuned, viewers. We'll be back.
You don't need to worry. That's why we have Nawasa. Nawasa supplies a quality, reliable, and sustainable source of water to our nation.
Welcome back to Nawasa's Water Wars. Of course, our players are doing a great job representing their schools, and now I will give the accumulated totals before we get into the destruction round. Presentation Brothers College, in the first round, they gained $22. In the second round, they gained $26, giving them a total thus far of $48. St. Rose Modern Secondary, they gained $6 in the first round. In the second round, they gained $10, giving them a total of $16 thus far. St. Joseph's Convent St. Andrew, they had $20 in the first round and they got $18 in the second round, giving them a total of $38. St. David's Catholic, they had $0 in the first round. They gained nothing in the second round, that's at 0. Therefore, they are currently on $0. And St. Joseph's Convent St. George's, they had 26 in the first round and they got $26 in the second round, giving them a total of $52. And just before we went on the break, I gave the clue, which means for the destruction round, that the clue is related to the word unity. Please remember, participants, you are to write on the sheet of paper provided. You only have 30 seconds. After that time has passed, you are to place your markers on the podium and hold up your answers facing your chest. When the school is called, you will then reveal your answer by reading it aloud. A regional association of 13 water and sewage utilities in the Caribbean. Participants, you have 30 seconds and your time starts now. Participants, your time is up. Please place your markers on the podium and hold up your paper with the answers facing you. Presentation Brothers College.
What is Nawasa?
St. Rose Modern Secondary.
What is Kawasa?
St. Joseph's Convent St. Andrew.
What is National Water Stakeholder Platform?
St. David Catholic Secondary.
What is Kawasa?
St. Joseph's Convent St. George.
What is Kawasa?
It therefore means St. Rose Modern Secondary, St. David Catholic Secondary, and St. Joseph's Convent St. George got the correct answer, which means you guys have gained $200 each. Okay, and I'll just recap the scores or the dollars at this point in time. Presentation Brothers College, $48. St. Rose Modern Secondary School, $216. St. Joseph's Convent, St. Andrew, $38. St. David's Catholic Secondary, $200. And St. Joseph's Convent, St. George's, $252. Okay, so we have come to the end of preliminary 2, and the schools from this preliminary who will be moving on to the semifinal on June the 29th, that's this Wednesday coming. We have the St. Rose Modern Secondary School and the St. Joseph's Convent, St. George's, and they will be joining the St. Andrew's Anglican Secondary School and the Grenada Boys Secondary. Congratulations to all the schools, especially to those advancing to the semifinals. Catch our grand finale live on Flow Community Channel 6 at 2 p.m. on Friday, July 1st, 2016. Thank you once again to all our sponsors. We remind you that this competition was brought to you by the National Water and Sewage Authority, Nawasa, and the German Agency for International Cooperation, GIZ, as part of the International Water Stewardship Program, IWASP, funded by the governments of Germany and the UK, and implemented in cooperation with the Ministry of Agriculture, Lands, Forestry, Fisheries, and the Environment. Until next time, viewers, I am your host, Linda Braveboy, and you watch the Nawasa Water Wars.